Welcome back. In this video, we are going to write equations of lines in slope-intercept form. And first, we're going to do that given a slope and a point. So we're going to put this into point-slope form. So from our previous video, we learned y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1 is point-slope form. So we're going to write in point-slope form, and here is the slope. That's m. And here's a point, x1, y1. So y minus y1, which is negative 2, equals m, which is negative 3/5, times x minus x1, which is 5. And now we just need to simplify this and solve for x. So we will distribute this fraction. So y minus negative 2, that's the same as y plus 2. Equals 3/5 negative 3/5 x, and then negative times negative is positive, and we've got 3/5 negative 3/5 times negative 5 over 1, so that's going to be 15 over 5, which is just 3, or we could even we could cross simplify these 5s, and we'll end up with 3. Okay, next we will subtract the 2 and get y equals negative 3/5 x plus 1. And there we are in slope-intercept form. Okay, so we're going to do another one like that where the slope m is 4 and the point x1, y1 is negative 1, negative 4. So we've got y minus y1, negative 4, equals m, 4, times x minus x1, which is negative 1. Now this minus negative, I'm just going to change that. Minus negative is plus. Minus negative here also is plus. And I'm going to distribute. Y plus 4 equals 4x plus 4. And then I'll subtract the 4. And that cancels, and I get y equals 4x. Oh, and look at that. That one cancels also. 4 minus 4 is 0. I don't have to write plus 0. I can, but I don't need to. Y equals 4x. Now for our next one, we're not given the slope. We're given 2 points. So the first thing we need to do is find the slope. Y minus y, negative 6, minus negative 10, over x minus x, 3 minus 4. So this is a minus negative, which means it's plus. Negative 6 plus 10 is 4, and 3 minus 4 is negative 1, so the slope is negative 4. Now I can choose between these 2 points as my x1, y1. I'm going to pick this one. They both have a negative in there, so I can't avoid negatives, so I'll go to the smaller numbers, x1, y1. Either point I choose, I'm going to come out with the same equation in the end, so I'm just choosing the simpler numbers. Y minus negative 6 equals m negative 4 times x minus 3. So that's y plus 6 equals negative 4x plus 12. And then minus 6 on both sides. Y equals negative 4x plus 6. And last is another one just like that. We are given 2 points. We need to find the slope. M equals y minus y, 4 minus 6, over x minus x, negative 1 minus 5. So that's negative 2 over negative 6, which simplifies to positive. 2 over 6 is 1/3. So we've got y minus, and I need to choose an x1, y1. Let's use the 2 positives here. So x1, y1. So y minus 6 equals m, which is 1/3, times x minus 5. Y minus 6 equals 1/3 x, so we're distributing. And then 1/3 times negative 5, that's negative. That's negative 5 over 1. 1 times 5, 3 times 1. So minus 5/3. Then we're going to add 6. But when I write that over here, let's write that with a common denominator. So we need a denominator of 3. So we're going to take that 6 and multiply the numerator by 3 and the denominator by 3. So it's really 6 over 1. And we're multiplying the numerator and denominator by 3. So we're going to get 18 over 3. So those 6's cancel, and I get y equals 1/3 x. And then negative 5/3 plus 18/3. Negative 5 plus 18 is 13, so plus 13/3. And there is my equation in slope-intercept form.